Hi Kickstarter. Does your room look like this? Clothes thrown everywhere and scattered all over the bed? You know what? Your clothes get wrinkled. Sometimes you'll have things dropping out of the pockets. Or even have trouble finding where your clothes are. This is not because you are lazy. I designed this hanger to find a way to organize pants in an easier and smarter way. And after several tests, I finally created this hurdle hanger. It is made of high-quality plastic with a non-slip rubber arm. It's simple to use. Just hook your clothes on both sides of the hanger. Or fold your pants over the open end. This way, you can neatly hang more clothes and add additional space under your clothes. How to use hurdle hanger. Hook your pants. Fold your pants. Knitwear on the arm. Save your slacks from forming extra wrinkles. Place tomorrow's clothes on the front hook. Hurdle hanger.
The hardest part of being fit and reaching your fitness goals is being consistent. If you get a Straprack, you can get to work on your time and reach your goals. My name is Jason. And my name is Anthony.
We are both mechanical engineers who graduated from LMU. Idea I got was basically seeing all the issues with the current pull-up bar that we were using. There are obvious defects with that pull-up bar. It was damaging our door frame. It was way too easy to fall off if you were doing pull-ups. Very limited on features. I remember just doing some pull-ups and I was like, what if we actually had a full VKR on our doorway? How cool would that be? And so I decided to kind of draft up this thing that I thought would be able to be that. Something I've never seen before, basically, that wasn't on the market.
You know, like, we're engineers, like, we can actually make this. We were only going to make one for ourselves. That's how it started. Once we see that we can put all these features on the door, like, other people might like this. And the very first prototype failed instantly.
It just snapped, like, straight up snap, crackle, pop. It just crumbled under his weight. Our product has the ability to fold up. And I actually got that idea from one of those ironing boards that you kind of have in the hotel, and you could just like fold it down, iron your shirt, and fold it back up. Do your workout, whatever you want to do, fold it up, and you can walk right under it.
The support towers that we call them that rest against the door frame that are padded in the back, they really do a good job distributing your whole weight along that door frame so you're not impacting the door frame at one point. Protecting the frame was probably our #1 priority, and then after that, from the fail videos that we've seen, like the safety part, like we wanted to make sure it didn't come off.
We had a lot of our friends test it out and they were just loving this thing. But just to see how easy they took to it, how it was so natural for them. They just hopped on and they were ready to use it. I didn't have to explain anything. Safety was a very important part for us, so one thing we wanted to do was make sure that our product can never fall off your door.
Our product stayed very light. It folds up, it takes up 0 floor space. You can move it easily, so it's very convenient for the user.
Once you bring the straps with you and you have them outside, you can loop them around any bar that you want and use it as a strap training system there. You can do your rows there, you can do your push-ups, you can do groundwork with your legs in them.
So what we'll be using the campaign funds for is for tooling, and the other reason why we really need these campaign funds is to be able to purchase in bulk. We are self-funded. We have no loans, we have no investor, it's just me and my brother. So if you really want to root for the underdog, like there is no better grassroots story than what we're doing. Like we built this in Burbank out of our 2-bedroom apartment.
So we truly want to thank you guys for backing our project, showing your interest. It's been a long journey for us, a very passionate one, and we're very excited to share this with the rest of the world. And we can't thank you enough for your support.
We can't wait to get this product to you guys. We know you're gonna love it. Everybody that's tested it love it. We just can't wait to put it in your guys' houses.
And we can't wait to see you guys using it. When you guys do get it, we'd love to see your videos, your photos of you using it. We'd love to post it on our Instagram. We'd love to show people using it the way that we did and loving it the same way that we do. So please just hit us up and let us know if you're enjoying your Straprack as much as we do.
Jura, France. In the valley of Moretz, Lance was born with one purpose only: creating quality glasses that would fit everyone, everywhere in the world. With over 5,000 backers in the previous campaign, we have now designed 2 collections, introducing 2 major breakthroughs in eyewear: the Lance Low Nose Bridge, a unique design that will fit all noses, and the Lance Smart Metal Bridge, a memory-shaped alloy used by NASA itself. This new collection embodies the most versatile glasses that combine premium metal with high-quality Italian acetate, integrating the most advanced lens technology. We're proud to present the new Fade Fast Change technology, enabling you to have everything in only one pair: sunglasses and eyeglasses with great design. With the Sharp Lens technology, we protect your eyes from the harmful blue light wavelength. Sleep better, live better. Your eyes can finally relax and enjoy the view. Both Fade and Sharp lenses hold the most advanced nanotechnology coatings, enhancing your vision in any situation. Our journey to perfection has been challenging, teaching us that it is always found in the simplest of things. Our intuitive design and fine engineering, along with the finest materials and rigorous testings, place Lance above the ordinary. Each and every detail matters, so we've learned to perfect our design in order to create these revolutionary glasses, considering all your needs. Lance is smart and functional. All of our glasses, be it premium or acetate, are finished manually in over 60 stages, where the acetate and metal are delicately polished by our experts, making your frame unique and spectacular. With over 20 styles, Lance is the eyewear that you'll want to carry with you everywhere. They'll fit your face and nose as a perfect extension, accompanying you during your daily activities. Wearing Lance will become your desire: versatile, smart, lightweight, and trendy.
Meet Solar Crew, the smallest and lightest foldable solar panel charger. Charge your device with solar energy efficiently. The highly sensitive panels can charge even in the shade. Charge your cell phones, power banks, speakers, or earbuds. Add more panels to have more power. Solar Crew is small and slim, only 1/10 of an inch thick when in use. You can also fold your Solar Crew. Magnetic clasp protection makes it easy to carry. You can simply hook it onto your bag. Solar Crew is made of durable, scratch-resistant material. No need to worry about water on the panels, as Solar Crew is also water resistant. Solar Crew, welcome to a solar world.
Have you ever experienced these situations? At the most critical moment, the game controller dies. Or when you're about to take the perfect picture, the battery for the flash runs out. Or when you are playing with a remote control car, it suddenly stops in the middle of nowhere. At Tenevolts, we believe that battery needs to be more efficient and better cater your needs. That is why we have created Tenevolts, the most advanced rechargeable lithium battery. Tenevolts only takes 2 hours to full charge, whereas nickel-metal hydride rechargeable batteries take around 10 hours. On a single charge, 10V offers a stable performance with more than 12 hours. After 1,000 charge cycles, 10V's usable capacity still stands at 70%, while other brands fall below 50% after 500 cycles. The best part? 10V is the world's first rechargeable lithium battery that offers a consistent power output of 1.5 volts. But words mean nothing without proof, right? Over the course of our 4 years R&D, we've obtained 6 national and world patents and passed many testings. Let the numbers speak by themselves. We're testing the 10V with the InnoLoop Pro for a car racing test. You'll see within 1 hour, 10V reaches 530 cycles, outnumbering InnoLoop by 100 cycles. When checking the lap times, 10V achieves a steady times for each lap, a significant difference that shows 10V has a better voltage consistency. We did a flashlight experiment to compare the 10V and InnoLoop Pro. 10V is able to provide a constant brightness with its 1.5 consistent output voltage. At 10V, our mission is to bring the best rechargeable lithium batteries to our customers. So give us a chance and support us on Indiegogo today. Let's make dream a reality.